Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will solve exercise 9b. 9b number 1. Find the area of a rectangle 12 centimeter by 6 centimeter. So here length equal to 12 centimeter, and what about the breadth equal to 6 centimeter. We've already know that the area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. That means length equal to 12, breadth equal to 6. That means square centimeter or centimeter square. So 12 times 6, that is 72 square centimeter or centimeter square will be the answer of number 1. Now number 2. Number 2 says find the area of a rectangle 16 meter by 14 meter. So similar problem, we can say here length equal to 16 meter, and what about the breadth equal to 14 meter. Then we have to find out the area equal to, we have already know that area equal to length into breadth. That means 16 times 14 square meter or meter square. Then if we do the multiplication of 16 and 14, then we will get 224 square meter or meters. Now number 3. Number 3 says find the area of a table 3 meter by 2 meter. Similar problem, so we can solve it in that way. Here length equal to 3 meter and breadth equal to 2 meter. So what will be the area? Area equal to 3 times 2 square meter. That means 6 square meter or meter square. That is the answer of number 3. Now number 4. Number 4 says 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Find the number of square centimeters in a square meter. That means we have to find out how many square centimeters in a square meter. That means we can say 1 meter square or 1 square meter. 1 square meter actually means 1 meter square, and 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter. Now what about 1 meter? 1 meter means 100 centimeter, and 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 100 times 100, that is 10,000 centimeter square or 10,000 square centimeter. That is the answer of number 4. Now number 5. Number 5 says a rectangular field is 300 meter long and 200 meter wide. Find its area in hectares. That means we have to find out the area in hectares. So here, what is the statement? Statement here, length equal to 300 meter, and what about the width? Width equal to 200 meter. Now what will be the area? Area will be length into width. That means 300 into 200 square meter or meter square. 300 times 200, that is 60,000 square meter. Then we have to convert these 60,000 square meter into hectare, and we have already know that 1 hectare means 10,000 square meter. That means if we want to convert this meter square into hectares, that means we have to divide this value by 10,000. So 60,000 by 10,000 hectares will be the solution. Now if I do the division, then we'll get 6. So 6 hectares will be the answer of number 6. Number 6 is find the perimeter of a room 7 meter long and 5 meter wide. We have already know the rules of perimeter from previous chapter, exercise 9a. So now we have to solve this problem. Here length equal to 7 meter and width equal to 5 meter. Then what will be the perimeter? We have already know that perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth or length plus width. So here 2 into here length equal to 7, breadth by width equal to, we can say 5. So 7 plus 5, that is 12. So here we can say 2 times 12 meter. That means 24 meter will be the answer of number 6. Very simple problem. Now next one, number 7. Number 7 says a room is 8 meter long, 6 meter wide and 3 meter height. Find the area of the ceiling. So first one, and we have to also find out the perimeter and the area of the walls. Very simple problem. First you have to write the statement. Here statement, you know, length equal to 8 meter and width equal to 6 meter. And what about the height? Height equal to, you know, height equal to 3 meter. Now we have to find out the area of the ceiling. So actually if I look at the area of the ceiling, that means it should represent only length and width. So what will be the area? Area will be length into width. That means 8 times 6 square meter. That means 8 times 6, that means 60, 8 times 6, 48 square meter or 48 meters square. 6 8 ja 48. So 48 square meter will be the answer of number 1. Now number 2. Number 2 says the perimeter. So we have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter means we have already know the rules, that is perimeter equals to 2 into length plus width. That means 2 into 8 plus 6 meter. So that is 2 into 8 plus 6, that is 14 meter. That means, you know, 14 times 2, that is 28 meter. So 28 meter will be the answer of number 2. Now number 3. Number 3 is very important. That is, you know, number 3 says the area of the walls. So we have to find out the area of the walls. If I look at this, the walls, here is a walls, opposite here another walls, you know, in a 3D dimension, then we can say this one is a wall, that one is a wall, this one is a wall, that one is a wall. So you know there is 2 opposite wall. Total there is total 4 wall, but there is opposite 2 wall, opposite 2 wall. That means we can say first one represents length and height, second one represents width and height. So what will be the area of the wall? Area of the wall will be, you know, 2 into length into height plus 2 into width into height. So what about 2 into length into height? Length equal to 8, height equal to 3 plus 2 into width equal to 6, height equal to 3. Now if I want to solve, 8 times 2, that is 16, 16 times 3, that is 48 plus 6 times 3, that is 18, 18 times 2, that is 36 square meter, so meter square. Now if I want to add these two number, 6 plus 8, that is 14, so there is a 4 here, 1 will be added to that one, so that is 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4, that is 8, 84 meter square will be the answer of number 3. Now number 8. Number 8 says a picture is 90 centimeter long and 56 centimeter high. Find its area in square centimeters. Similar type of problem. First there is, so what is the statement here? Statement length equal to 90 centimeter and what is the height here? Height equal to, you know, height equal to 56 centimeter, 56 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area in square centimeter. So now area equal to, if already know that area equal to length into height, that means 90 times 56 square centimeter. So 90 times 56, that is 5040 square centimeter. So 5040 centimeter square or square centimeter will be the answer of number. Now number 9. Number 9 says find the area of a platform 9 meter long and 8 meter wide. So here we can say length equal to 9 meter, and what about the width? Width equal to 8 meter. So we have already know that area equal to length into width. That means we have to multiply 9 times 8 and the unit will be square meter or meter square. So we can say 8 times 9, that is 72 square meter. So 72 meters square or 72 square meter will be the answer of number 9. Now number 10. Number 10 says find the number of hectares in a rectangular field 1300 meter long and 900 meter wide. So here we have to find out the area of a rectangular field. So after finding the rectangular field area actually, then we have to convert this area into hectares. So here I will get meter square, then we have to convert this square meter into hectares. So here the statement will be length equal to 1300 meter. And what about the width? Width equal to 900 meter. Then what will be the area? We have already know that area equal to length into width, that means 1300 multiplied by 900 square meter or meter square. That means we have to do the multiplication. If we do only the multiplication of 30 and 9, then we will get the answer. So 9 times 90, 9 3 is 27. 90 plus 27, that is 117, and there is a 20, there is 20, so there will be 40 square meter. Now we have to convert this square meter into hectares. We have already know that 10,000 square meter equal to 1 hectare. That means we have to divide this value by 10,000 and the result will convert into hectares. So there our answer will be 117 hectares. Now next problem, number 11. Number 11 says, number 11, find the number of hectares in a square kilometer. Similar type of problem. So first we have to convert this 1 square kilometer into hectare. So a square kilometer means 1 square kilometer. That means 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. And we've already know that 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, and this 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So here our result will be after 1 there will be 30, and that will be square meter or meter square. Then we have to convert this meter square into hectares. We have already know that 10,000 square meter equal to 1 hectares. That means we have to divide this number by 10,000. So here after 1 there is 60, after 1 there is 60 divided by 10,000, that is hectares. So here our final answer will be, in that way we can divide this type of problem very easily. There is a 40 and we have to cut this 40. 40 and 40 will be cut. Then there will be only 100. So 100 hectares will be the answer of number 11. Very easy problem. Now number 12. Number 12 says, a magazine measuring 16 centimeter by 12 centimeter contains 48 sheets. So a magazine contains 48 sheets and the measurement of every sheet is 16 centimeter by 12 centimeter. Find the number of square centimeters of paper used in the magazine. So first we have to find out the area of one sheet. So if we say in a sheet or of a sheet, in a sheet, here length equal to 16 centimeter, length equal to 16 centimeter, and what about the breadth or width? Breadth equal to 12 centimeter. Now what will be the area? area will be length into breadth. That means 16 times 12 square centimeter or centimeter square. Then we have to do the multiplication of 16 times 12. 16 times 2, that is 32. So there is a 2 here. 3 will be on our hand. 16 times 1, that is 16, plus 3, that is 19. So 192 square centimeter or centimeter square will be the area of one sheet. Now we have to find out the total area. That means the area of 48 sheet. So we have already know area of one sheet is 192 centimeters square. So area of 48 sheets will be 192 times 48 square centimeter. So we have already know that area of one sheet is 192 centimeter. Then what will be the area of 48 such sheet? That will be 192 times 48, and that will give you the result, that is 9216 square centimeter. That means 9216 centimeter square will be the answer of number 12. Now number 13. Number 13 says a kitchen is tiled with tiles measuring 12 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So what is the measurement of one tiles? That is 12 centimeter by 10 centimeter. If 500 tiles are used, find the area of the kitchen in square meter. So first we have to find out the area of one tiles. Then we'll do the multiplication of that result by 500. That will give you the answer. Number 13. So if I say the measurement of one tile, that is, we can say length of one tile is equal to 12 centimeter. And what about the breadth? Breadth equal to 10 centimeter. So here area of one tiles equal to 12 times 10 square centimeter or centimeter square. 12 times 10, that is 120 centimeter square or 120 square centimeter. So this is the area of one tiles. Now we have to find out the area of 500 tiles, and area of 500 tiles actually represents the area of the kitchen. So we can say area of 500 tiles, or we can say the total area of kitchen. Total area of kitchen, both are the same thing, and that is, we have to do the multiplication of 120 and 500. So that is 120 times 500 square centimeter. So now we have already know there is a 30, so 30 will be there, and 512, that is 16. 5 times 12, that is 60. 5 times 12, that is 60, and there is a 30, so 60,000 square centimeter or centimeter square will be the answer of number 13. Now we can convert the centimeter square into meter square. Then if we want to convert this one into square meter, then you will get also answer. And the answer, then the question asks you to convert this one into square meter. So you will have to convert this one. So we can solve it in that way. If I explain it to you in that way, it will be good. 60,000 square centimeter. So we can say 60,000, 1 centimeter, the centimeter square means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So if we want to convert this 1 centimeter into meter, that means we know we have to divide this number by 100. And there is a 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. That means we have to divide this 60,000 by, for this 1 centimeter, we have to divide by 100. For this 1 centimeter, we have to divide by 100. Then this centimeter will be converted into meter. So that is meter into meter, that is meter square. Again, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now, if we want to convert this centimeter into meter, that means we have to divide this number by 100. So for this centimeter, we have to divide this number by 100. For that centimeter, we have to divide that number by 100. Then we will get the final result, that is square meter. So if we divide, there is a 40, and if we cut this 40, then we will get only 6 meter square or 6 square meter. And that is the answer of number 13. Now number 14. Number 14 says a wall of room 6 meter long and 5 meter high contains a window 2 meter by 1 meter. So if we say this is a wall, and what is the measurement here? That is, suppose this one is 6 meter, this one is 5 meter, and in that wall there is a window, and that window is 2 meter by 1 meter, 2 meter by 1 meter. Now we have to find out the remaining wall. That means you can say the shaded region. So if I say a room, first we have to find out the area of a room. Room length equal to 6 meter, length equal to 6 meter, in a room length equal to 6 meter, and height equal to 5 meter. Then what will be the area here? Area will be 6 times 5 square meter or meter square, that is 30 square meter. Now we have to find out the area of a window. So if we want to find out the area of a window, that is, here length equal to 2 meter, length equal to 2 meter, and what about the height here? Height equal to 1 meter. Now what is the area of the window? Area of the window is equal to 2 times 1 square meter or meter square, that is 2 square meter. So we have already find out the area of a room and area of a window. Now we have to find out the area of a remaining region or remaining area. That means we have to do the subtraction of a room and by a window. That means the remaining area will be 30 minus 2 square meter or meter square, that is 28 square meter or 28 meter square. And that is the answer of number 14. Now number 15. Number 15 says it costs 180p, that means penny or pence, a square meter to tile a floor. If the floor is 3 meter long and 2 meter wide, find the cost of the tiling the floor. That means first you have to find out, since you will see that here the question asks you that is 1 square centimeter costs 180 rupee. So what is 1 square meter? 1 square meter means the area. Square meter represents area. So first we have to find out the area of the floor. So if we see here, if we want to find out the area of the floor, what is the statement here? Statement length equal to 3 meter, and what about the breadth? Breadth equal to 2 meter, or width equal to 2 meter. So that will be width. Width will be the good, I think. Width will be 2 meter. Now what is the area here? Area of a floor. Area of a floor equal to 3 times 2 square meter or meter square, that is 3 times 2, that is 6 meter square or 6 square meter. Now we have the questions already give you information, that is 1 square meter cost 180p or penny, 180 penny. So what about the cost of 6 square meter? Very simple problem. So that will be, you have to do the multiplication. You have to multiply 180p by 6. So we can say, therefore, total cost equal to 180 times 6 penny or pence. So we have to do the multiplication and we will get our total cost. Now we have to do the multiplication of 180 and 6. And then we will find the cost of tiling the floor. So 6 times 0, that is 0. 6 times 8, that is 48. So there is 8 here. 4 will be on our hand. 6 on the 6 plus 4, that is 10. So 1080 penny will be the answer of number 15. Now number 16. Number 16 says the area of a rectangle is 128 square meter and its length is 16 meters. Find its breadth. That means here the questions already give you the area of a rectangle and the length. We have to find out the breadth. So we have already know the rules. Area equal to length times breadth. Then what will be the length? Length equal to area divided by breadth. Or what is the breadth? Breadth equal to area divided by length. So this is the formula, simple formula. So we have to use this formula to solve number 16. So what is the statement here? Statement area equal to 128 square meter or 128 meter square, and its length equal to 16 meter. Length equal to 16 meter. So what is the breadth here? We have already know breadth equal to area divided by length. That means 128 divided by 16, and the unit will be meter. Now we have to divide this 128 by 16. So 16 here, 128, 16 is the divisor and 128 is dividend here. Now we have to divide this 128 by 16. So if we multiply 16 times 8, that means 8 6 is 40. So there is a 8 here. 4 will be on our hand. So 8 on the 8 plus 4, that is 12. So here breadth equal to 8 meter. So 8 meter will be the answer of number 16. Now number 17. Number 17 says the area of a rectangle is 300 meter and its breadth is 15 meter. Find its length. Similar problem. So here area equal to 300 meter and the breadth equal to 15 meter. Now we have to find out the length. So what is the formula of the length? Area divided by breadth. Simple problem. Then area equal to 300 divided by breadth equal to 15. Now the result will be the length, and that is 300 by 15, that is 20 meter. So 20 meter will be the answer of number 17. Now number 18. Number 18 says the area of a square is 289 meters square or square meter. Find its length. Very easy problem. So what is the difference between a square and a rectangle? That is, you know, in a rectangle and in a square there is this actually simple difference. That is, you know, in a square every side will be equal, but in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So we can say here length and breadth both are same, but here length and breadth both are not same. So here we have to find out the length. So in a question the statement is the area of a square is 289 meters square. So find its length. So here in a square area equal to length into length. So that is length square. So what will be the length? Length will be root over area. So that is the formula to find out the length. Now we have to solve the problem. The area of a square is 289 meters square. So here area equal to 289 square meter. Find its length. So length will be square root of 289 meter. First of all, 289. So if you see the units digit of 289, you will see that the units digit of 289 will be 9. So now if we do the multiplication, that is, multiplication of same number, that means 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49. So when we multiply 7 times 7, then we will get the units digit is 9. So I think the answers units digit will be. So if we do the multiplication of 17 times 17, then what will happen? 17 times 17, 7 7 ja 14, so there is a 9 here, 4 will be on our hand, 7 on the 7 plus 4, that is 11, there is 0 here, 7 on the 7 and 1, so if we add 9, 7 plus 1 8, 1 plus 1 2. So we have already find out that if we multiply 17 times 17, then we'll get our result will be 289. That means root over 289 will be 17 meter. So in that way we can find out the length of a square. There is another way to find out the square root of another number. You can solve it in that way too. If that is 289, okay, so if that is a 289, so we have to make a pair of this number. So and that is from right to left, that means from that to that, right to left. So we have to first make a pair. So 89 is a pair and 2 and 0 is a pair. There isn't anything, so for the region we can just put a 0 and make a pair. So first we have to think, we have know something about the square, that is 1 square equal to 1. Then what will be our remainder? 1. Then we have to put this pair all together at a time. Then what is the double of 1? Double of 1 is 2. Double of 1 is 2. So now we have to do the multiplication. So here I have to put a digit, here I have to put a digit, and when we multiply these two digits, then we will get the answer. Suppose if I put here 7 and here if I put 7, you will see 7 times 7, that is 49, so there is a 9. 4 will be on our hand. 7 times 2, that is 14. 14 plus 4, that is 18. So 189. There is a remainder 0. So we will see 17 is the square root of 289. Very simple way you can find out the square root of any number. Now number 19. Number 19 says the length of a room is twice its breadth and its area is 32 square meter. Find its length. So here area equal to 32 square meter or 32 meter square, and there is another clue, that is length of a room is twice its breadth. So if the breadth equal to b, then what is the length here? Length equal to 2b. So according to the question, we can say this breadth and this length equal to the area. So this is the area, 2b into b, and this is the area, 32. So 2b into b equal to 32. Both are same thing. So now we have to find out first breadth. So 2b into b, that is 32. That means 2b square equal to 32. If 2b square equal to 32, then we can divide both part by 2. That means b square equal to 16. So we can solve if I say b square equal to, what is 16? 16 means 4 square. So we can say b equal to 4, and that is the breadth. If breadth equal to 4, then what will be the length? Breadth equal to 4 meter. Then what will be the length? Length equal to twice of breadth. That means 2 times 4 meter, that means 8 meter. So here length equal to 8. Now number 20. Number 20 says find a formula for the perimeter of a room in terms of its height h and the area of the walls s. So we have already know what is the formula of the perimeter. Formula of the perimeter equal to 2 into length plus height. Length plus height. Now look at the statement. Here the questions already give you the height, that is, you know, height equal to h, and the area of the walls, that is s. So area equal to s. Just from that two statement, from that two information, we can find out the length. Length equal to area divided by height. Area divided by height. So here area is s divided by height is h. So s by h, or we can write out in that way, s divided by h. Now we have to put this information into the formula of perimeter, and that is, if I put this in there in the main equation, then we can say 2 into, what is the length here? Length equal to area divided by height plus height, and that is the formula of the perimeter using height and area of the walls. So that is the answer of number 20. So thank you very much for watching the class. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.